Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan with Me video for the week of June 22nd through the 28th. And I am going to be continuing my summer fruit themed using the Simple Stories Summer Farmhouse collection. And I bought the whole collection, the paper pack and all the stickers, and then that little mini sticker book that's sitting there as well. So that all came from the paper pack. That was just another paper that I had, the 6x6 paper pad I pulled out just thinking maybe I would use that. I don't end up using it. And then this is just a quick flip through of the sticker book. There's a couple stickers still left in there for strawberry theme, so I'm going to pull those out during sticker time, as well as this sticker sheet. And and then I do want to use some of those mason jar stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I thought I was going to use the metal ones, but I ended up not using the metal mason jars that are sitting there. I only used the ones that are clear. And yeah, so we're just going to do a strawberry theme and kind of finish it up. This particular one was pretty different than anything that I really have done before in the past. I just wanted to mix it up and do something a little different. And so we'll go ahead and get started and see what I come up with. The paper that I decided to use in this was not included in the paper stack. They, for some reason, didn't have like a strawberry paper in the paper stack, but so I just pulled another one. That paper actually came from a paper stack that I got at Joann's, I think. Yeah, Joann's. It was a Park and Allen or Park Lane, yeah. Paper stack from last summer. So I went ahead and just used that stack or piece of paper. So basically what I'm going to do is I have these punches, these little scallop edge punches, and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and punch out a couple of these punches just to, again, totally doing something completely different, just trying to mix it up and do something completely different. And I did, not last week, but the week before, I used this Happy Planner sticker book. And what I did with it last time was they have like a little, kind of like a little shadow box effect to them. And I don't like the shadow box effect. So in the last video that I used these on, I actually cut it out and I really liked how that looked in my planner. So I decided to go ahead and use these bigger boxes that they have and kind of just um, do like a design with these bigger boxes. So it's kind of the concept of what I'm doing. The little mason jars down there are not going to be there. That's not what I end up doing with those mason jars. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these boxes out. And I do cut all the way around just so it's the black edge is completely all around. So it's a big like box with a black line around it. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up a couple of more of these hexagon punches. As while I'm doing that, I'm making sure that I kind of look at where I'm punching and trying to get like, a cute design within the punch. Um, so, okay. So I went ahead and pulled out those sticker boxes, like I said. I'm just going to kind of figure out how I want the design to look. I wanted some of them to be kind of behind the boxes, and then I wanted some of them to be on top of the boxes. So again, just trying to figure all that out. And then, yeah, I moved that one down. And then I decided to go ahead and pull out some of the circle punches or circle labels that are also in that book. And again, I cut those all the way around. And then I'm going to pull out another circle as well to put in the top as well. You'll see that in a second. So again, kind of doing some on top and then some on the bottom of the box. And it does end up looking a little bit different because there's the paper backing is behind the sticker right now. So when I actually stick the sticker on, you can kind of see the circle that's behind it a little bit in the paper, which I kind of like because it kind of gives it that, I don't know, you can just see the paper, the little strawberry paper behind it, behind the sticker. All right, so then I took that circle and I'm just going to cut that off and then cut that off there. And that's basically what it's going to basically look like in regards to that. I pulled out these mason jar stickers. I really wanted to use these. Not exactly sure why. I just really wanted to use them. I thought that it worked really well with the kind of line drawing aspect of the boxes. Because, they're kind of just an outline of a mason jar. And then I had these stickers that had strawberries. I had some strawberry stickers. So I am going to actually pull those out and use those in the mason jar. You'll see here in a second. Not sure what I'm doing now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece for the side panel. And in this one, I don't actually do a center piece like I usually do. I just wanted it to be pretty simple. And the last couple of spreads that I've done have been pretty, there's been a lot going on. And I'm actually at the end of this going to show you my lemon theme, my like after the pen kind of thing. Obviously, Sunday's not filled out because it's Sunday when I'm doing this. So I haven't filled it out completely yet. But yeah, so I will be showing you that. So let me know if you like that part of it, because if you do, maybe I'll start doing that. I'll kind of show you the after the pen, you know, in the next week's video, so you can kind of see the before and after. And if you do want to see any of my other Plan with Me's, I do have a playlist down below. You can always check that out. All right, so then what I did is I pulled out a couple of these little small boxes, and I was just going to go ahead and use those in here as well. So those are kind of just going to be put out in different areas. Okay, so here's the little stickers I was telling you about earlier. I'm pretty sure I got those little stickers that I'm using at the Dollar Tree. And I've had them forever. So I was really excited to be able to use them. So I just kind of used it as like I stuck the strawberries in the mason jars. Not that you really do that, but I don't know. I just wanted to have something in the mason jar. And so I'm just putting those little stickers behind there. And then I'll put those in during sticker time. You'll see me actually stick those on. Okay, then I'm going to put a little side mason jar down there, and then kind of was messing with that one, seeing if I wanted to use that one. I decided that I didn't want to use it, and then I did have a little die cut that I'm going to use right there. So I did want to cover up the bottom little quote thing, so I just took some scrap label sticker sheet that I had, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut that piece and then put that down at the bottom. And yeah, that's basically how that's going to look. And then I'm going to go ahead and get it all glued down. And I'm going to glue the the pieces. It kind of was a little bit of a puzzle piece, almost a puzzle of putting down the pieces, because I wanted some to be on the back and then I wanted some to be in the front. So I like had to really figure out how to kind of glue them all together to make them kind of fit. So you can see here I took off that the backing of that one, and I was like, oh, I can't put that one down first. I've got to put down the other one. So I kind of set that down, and then I have to put down this one first. So I had to kind of stack it, I guess is a way of saying it. So it's like I had to put that one down, and then I had to put this one down, and then I put the big box down. So there you can kind of see what I'm talking about, how the little punch, the paper, the strawberry paper, you can see through it. Um, so I kind of like that. I felt like it added a little something I wasn't expecting. Okay, so that's what that side's going to look like. And then I'm going to go ahead and get the other side all glued down. Again, kind of using that puzzle mentality. I have to figure out which one I have to glue down first and then kind of start from there. So I definitely had to glue down the piece that was on that far side. And that one does hang off the page just a little bit, but that doesn't bother me. I'm okay with that. And then I went ahead and glued down the big box. And I like that the boxes you could see um, the line of the planner still too. I liked that. So you kind of have some distinction between the different days of the week. All right, so then I'm going to put that one down, and then I'm going to just get the other boxes glued down, and then it's going to be sticker time. All right, so that is what the layout looks like this time around. I really like it. I feel like it's pretty simple compared to what my other designs look like, but I do feel like it just kind of has like a overall very simple, classy feel. I feel like it's kind of like hand drawn. It almost looks hand drawn to me, which I really like. And yeah, so there is that one. And then like I said, I was going to go ahead and show you the lemon spread. So that is what it looks like afterwards. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.